friends, welcome to
G classes. In our today's lecture, we will see how to join sounds. Now, we all know the sounds of each letter, right? I'm sure you guys are working very hard to learn the sounds of each letter. Now, we will work on joining the sounds, how to blend these sounds. Let's get started. Let's take a look here. What do we have? We have all these words, two-letter words where the ending sound is A. So we all know that A makes the sound of eh, eh. Let's see, the front letter is B. B, eh, ba, k, eh, ka, d, eh, da, f, eh, fa, g, eh, ga, h, eh, ha, eh, ma, eh, na, p, eh, pa, r, eh, ra, s, eh, sa, d, eh, da. Let's try some of them again. Let's work on this one. What is this? F, eh, fa, p, eh, pa, s, eh, sa. Oh my God, you guys are amazing. Look at these lovely happy children. They are jumping just because they know now they are able to connect two-letter words. Very good job, my dear friends. Let's try and have an ending sound. Once we have an ending sound, let's see what impact it creates on our two-letter sounds. Okay. B, eh, we all know B, eh is ba, bat, bat, cat, cat, rat, rat. Let's try it one more time. Bat, bat, cat, cat, rat, rat, fat, fat, gat, gat, hat, hat, mat, mat, nat, nat, pat, pat, rat, rat, sat, sat. Now, to make this Mr. Gumbo super duper happy, it's our job to try the sounds once again without saying the phonics. Let's try and read the word without saying the phonics. Bat, cat, rat, fat, gat, hat, mat, nat, pat, rat, sat. Very good job. Look at him. He is joining the party. Mr. Gumbo is joining our party because he can see you guys are making an extremely amazing effort. Let's see the next series of three-letter words. In the last slide, we saw that the ending sound was T, T. In the next slide, the ending sound is D, D. Bad, bad. Cad, cad. Rad, rad. Mad, mad. Gad, gad. Had, had. Sad, sad. Nad, nad. Pad, pad. Let's try one more time without saying the phonics sounds. Bad, cad, vad, mad, gad, had, sad, nad, pad. Very good job. You must pat your back because you guys are amazing. Let's work on the next sound, that is the ending sound of G. G makes the sound of G, G. Bag, bag. Cag, cag. Wag, wag. Mag, mag. Gag, gag. Hag, hag. Sag, sag. Nag, nag. Pag, pag. Let's try one more time without the phonic sounds. Bag, cag, wag, mag, gag, hag, sag, nag, gag. Very good job. I am so impressed. Not only you tried to read, but you tried to figure out how to join the sounds. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that next time when I upload the video, you guys know about it. Bye-bye. Thank you.